is the assault rifle and Uzi so good in Double Trouble, you might think? It's because it's good in normal 1v1, so how about you use it together? And plus, it does a lot of damage in Double Trouble. And that's the reason why Assault Rifle and Uzi is so good in Double Trouble. Comment what you think about the Assault Rifle and Uzi being so good in Double Trouble. Watch gameplay now.